Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making chicken salami sandwich. Place 4 slices of bread in your baking tray. Place a slice of cheese on each slice of bread. Now add your chicken salami on each slice of bread. And then top it up with a slice of cheese. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to our videos. Please don't forget to do that. Please, we're a community here. This encourages us to make new videos. At least you're learning one or two things from our channel. Thank you as you do so. Get 2 eggs and pour in a bowl. And add 1.5 cup of milk. Beat and mix properly. Just beat so it blends in well properly. Then you dip the sandwich in the egg mixture. Do same on both sides. So the egg soaks in well into the bread. Guys, this is so yummy and very easy to make. It doesn't really take time to make, so it's something that is just a quick fix for the family. You know, when you're feeling so tired of, doing something heavy, you can just, make this up and it's good for the whole family. You guys will enjoy it, trust me. You still add some egg on the bread. Guys, we don't really like leftovers here, so we are not wasting anything. We are going to be using all the egg mixture. You add cheddar cheese on the bread. And it's ready to bake. So you're going to be baking for 15 minutes. Yay! It's all ready. Can you see how it looks? So yummy, so delicious, so sumptuous. Wow, I can't wait to have a bite. Thank you all once again for watching. Tune in next time and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified. You'll be the first to be notified when we post new videos. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye.